Good morning, children. How are you all? So, all the portions are over, grammar is over. So, now you are preparing for essay 2. So, before that, see, I would like to explain few things, okay? Till now, see, from last March, we are not we are having offline schools. See, we are not coming to school. If we are coming to school, then every 3 months once we will have this LSRW. How many of them remember this? Listening, speaking, writing, reading skills we used to assess you. But now you are at home and we are taking online classes. But still, we wanted you people to improve. Okay, so we wanted to improve in listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, children. See, if you are coming to school, then you will be talking only in English. Yes or no? So, it is a rule that until you leave the school, inside the campus, you will speak only in English. No mother tongue, no other languages. Yes or no? See, that was different, but now we are in online classes, so I thought how far you are. Anyway, you are listening. Yeah, you are listening the classes, you are listening to the recorded videos, you are listening to all other things. But I wanted to assess you. See, so before that, I would like to explain few things about listening skills. Okay, children. See, the simple way to speak, the simple way to speak any language is to converse. See, if you speak in English, the other person also should speak. See, at home, parents or grandparents, they speak in our mother tongue. Yes or no? They speak in their mother tongue, and also you reply them only in mother tongue. You understand that and you speak. But what we need is, we need to improve your language skill, your English skills. Okay, so please children, what you should do is, you speak English with your siblings. Okay, you try to speak only in English at home with your siblings. And also listen to more rhymes, songs, English rhymes and songs. Read many stories, storybooks, and also you narrate that stories to your siblings. If you have a younger one, you tell stories. You try to tell that stories in English every day. Okay, then what you have to do is, see, a simple topic. When you are at home, after the class is over, see, if you are seeing something in this room, what is there? If you want to talk about fan, if you want to talk about window, doors, pen, pencil, laptop, mobile phone, bedroom. So, see here, you should take one topic. You should speak at least for 2 minutes about the topic. So, for that, what you should do is, gather the vocabularies. You have to know many words. Okay, so you try to talk and record and see how you are speaking. Okay, how you are speaking. You listen to what you are speaking. Okay, first you listen what you are speaking, and then you should improve according to that. Okay, children. And one more important thing I would like to tell you is, please don't watch cartoons. Okay, see, because in cartoon channel you watch it in your mother tongue only. You're not seeing it in English or something like. But anyway, please don't watch those things. Why? because see that pictures all go moving fast. Okay, the images are moving fast, so your brain also will not think about that. Simply you will watch, but your brain will not work. Okay, children. So on seeing the images, simply you will laugh. If Doraemon comes, you laugh. Chota Beam, like that you will watch, and you are missing. Okay, so at least try to speak. See, online classes is only for 2 to 3 hours, but after that what you're doing, you're simply watching TV, you're playing with your friends, hanging around, only these you are doing. Okay, children, so that's why ma'am wanted to improve. See, from today we are going to see how we are going to improve our listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. Okay, children, so you try to speak with your friends, okay, with your siblings, those who can talk, you can even talk. It's not that only when you're speaking, only when you're asking question in online class, you're speaking in English. After that, no, you're not doing anything. So for that reason, see here, if you're finishing your homework, if anything is there, you record. Okay, you speak. Ma'am, my name is so and so. I completed my homework. This is my homework. Like that, you record and post it in the group. Okay. Anyway, you will have the WhatsApp group. So in that group, you post that how far you are. Okay, children, so please do follow all these things. And also, see, when you speak, see, when you are speaking, if we focus on speaking and listening, you will be more comfortable and you will be confident with the language, children. I'll tell you, see here, you have a strong foundation if you are speaking in English and listening to English. Okay, so it will help you to read and write. Okay, if you know to speak and listen. Okay, so you will write it and you will also read it properly. Okay, so please don't laugh if somebody is not speaking clearly or properly. Please don't criticize the others or don't make fun of them. Okay, children. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you is read the lesson every day from the first lesson. Okay, from don't think that essay 1 portion is already over, so we will concentrate only on term 2. Okay, term 2 is also okay, but I tell you, every day a page of, okay, a page, if you read a page, that is enough for you, children. Okay, always while you're reading, today only I have completed that phonic sounds. Please go home and read that. Okay, even this phonic sounds, now only how to pronounce, how to read with the phonic sound. First you think this phonic sounds and then you read it. Okay, so that's why I finished that earlier, because I wanted to concentrate on this LSRW. Okay, so please read, write and listen to English. Okay, children. See, one more important thing I would like to tell you. During the online class, okay, during the online class, how you can listen? How you can listen? See, during the online classes also, you can improve this listening skill. How? See, you can maintain a good eye contact. Okay, you can make a good eye contact. Don't interrupt, ask questions, repeat back what the speaker says and listen for total meaning. See, the only one important thing you should avoid is that noise. If your place is very noisy, then what you should do? You should sit in a proper way. Eye contact. How do you maintain this eye contact? See, when teacher is teaching, look at the screen, not for a long time, children. Just I'm telling you, look at the screen, what she is sharing. Just go through that. Okay, understand that. What she is telling, understand that. Okay, so eye contact helps you to listen properly. Okay, it will help you to listen what ma'am is telling. Okay, at a time you should not shout, everybody should not talk, then you are interrupting the class. Okay, so maintain silent, one by one you can talk. See, if you talk all together, if you talk, what happens, it becomes like a market, it becomes like a fish market. So to avoid that, one by one, okay, raise your hands. There is an option called raise your hands. If you raise your hands, then you can, the teacher will see why you have raised your hands and she may ask a question. Okay, so or else finally give 15 minutes last before the summary, when ma'am is concluding everything, that time you can ask the questions. Okay, but in between you should not talk. If you all talk with unmuting, see, everybody unmute at a time and you are talking, means how the teacher will feel? It will be a disturbance and it will become a nuisance. Yes, a big commotion will take place. Okay, so that's why one by one you should unmute and speak. You should give way for them. See, just to, I would like to tell few online classroom rules alone, children. Listening skill is also okay. Next class I will explain in detail. Okay, I just wanted to give a brief, just overall outline. Okay, outline content alone. Okay, children, so during the online classes, one more important thing I would like to tell is, be on time. When 8:45 or 9 o'clock sharp you log in. We don't want to log in either 15 minutes before or 15 minutes later. Okay, see, once the screen is shared, nobody will come and sit there and admit you every time late, coming late. Why? Always wake up early, get ready early, finish your breakfast. Okay, drink everything, milk, whatever it is, drink. Okay, in between the class, 5 minutes break. When they give you 5 minutes break, go that time and go use the restroom, washroom, whatever it is, finish it and come back soon. Okay, imagine that you are coming to school. When you are sitting before the online class, imagine that you are sitting in the class. Okay, children, please comb your hair. So yesterday when I asked somebody to read, switching on the video, and I saw the kids, how you are, you didn't even comb the hair. Simply you are coming and sitting. When I asked you to switch on the video, see how you were sitting. You didn't even comb your hair, you didn't even wash your face. Is that the way to sit? See, children, be on time. Okay, be prepared, prepare yourself. Okay, wash your face, if you want to take bath. Okay, you can be prepared, no, children. So what ma'am is telling, please follow that. Okay, understanding. If you are not understanding, please tell her, ma'am, I am not understanding, can you repeat? Make it in a polite way. Ask her. And during that time only, see, when you are sitting, you will on the phone, you will sit in front of the online class and you will be chatting with your friends, your uncle, aunt, whoever is calling, making video call, everything will be happening. Only you will be in login position, only that. Muted. If we call, teacher calls your name 101 times, then only you will unmute and speak. Why? If you unmute and speak, all movie songs, all TV volume will be high. Why? If daddy, mummy is going to school, work, if they are going for work, you are at home, you concentrate on studies. Don't watch TV always. Okay, children, please be attentive in the class. Okay, and also be respectful. One important thing which I would like to tell. See, nowadays you all becoming like, I don't know what type of attitude you have. I don't know, really, children. Why do you do that? When you're coming to school, you were very polite. Good morning, ma'am. Everybody was telling like, good morning, ma'am, everything. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. You were telling like that. What happened to you now, children? Why do you answer yes, no question? Like, am I asking like that? Why do you answer yes, no? No, children. You should not do that. What is that? If you are not coming to school, you should forget all these value educations, all these things. You should be careful and also you should be respectful. Even when you post the homework, you tell, ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I'm sorry, I'm sending late. So every time when you are posting the homeworks, every time when when teacher is asking you something, just suddenly don't leave the group. What is wrong with you? When we ask you to unmute and speak, or when you ask any question, why do you leave immediately? Why do you leave the class? Why? You are waiting for that time only to tell there is no charge, there is no internet, all these issues, it will come only when we ask the question. Why do you do that? No, should not. Okay. Then allow others to learn and work. See, when you are in the class, let everybody take time. Okay. Take a chance to ask question one by one. Okay, if you don't know the answer, tell ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you please repeat? That's why I don't know. Okay, you just tell the reason. For that, don't leave the class immediately. Okay? So that's what I wanted to tell you, children. Please be attentive in the class. Okay? So listening LSRW, tomorrow I'll take you fully. Okay? From tomorrow onwards, how to listen. I will record a video. Okay, and I'll post you and I'll ask you how to listen to that comprehensions. Okay, children, thank you so much.